The sky turns heavy, soft and gray, washing the tired heat away. A quiet whisper starts the show, then boulder drops begin to grow. Tap, tap, tap on the window pane, a sweet, familiar, gentle strain. The dust is laid, the leaves look new, reflecting back a watery blue. The street lamps catch the silver sheen, as if the world has been made clean. A fresh, cool smell is in the air, a momentary